Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and sisters, we are visiting this family here in the Syrian refugee camps. This is Sister Fatim with her children, Layla, Isra, and Talib. Now, she's been telling us her story, and it's truly a saddening one. Her husband has been missing for many years now. He went for potential treatment and never came back. She doesn't know whether he is alive or dead or whatever the situation is. She is in a lot of debt as well, and she is struggling here in this camp. In fact, the tent she lives in is not her own. She needs our help. And there are many similar cases and families as well, which is why we are here providing iftar parcels, which is why we are here to tell you their stories. So please donate generously, make dua for them, and help them as much as you can. Now this sister, she needs our help. And there are many other sisters and brothers that also need our help. One of the ways you can help is with £90. You can provide this type of box, which gives food for 30 days for a family. So please donate generously and keep them in your du'as and tell others about it, and let's alleviate their difficulty from them. May Allah alleviate our difficulties in the Day of Judgment. So inshallah ta'ala, this is one story of a young woman who doesn't know where her husband is, who has many children to feed, who is in a tent that's not even her own, that requires our support. Please donate. Again, for £90 you can support not just this family, but two other families, making itself 3 families. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.